welcome to all of you into the grammar session. Before starting this session, the few points I would like to discuss with you guys. This is a grammar session. Every Friday, 8:30 p.m., you have the grammar session. This is a batch which I'm going to start from the zero. Because class say I'm going to start this batch. Okay? And I really appreciate guys, please make a separate register for the grammar. Because we will discuss some assignments also. So you need some separate register for the grammar. The second thing which I would like to share with you guys, you know grammar has no ends. Grammar is very vast. But we have the limited period of time. We have the 3 months time. So in that 3 months, we will touch that part of grammar which is really important for speaking. Which is really important for speaking purpose. Okay. Guys, if anyone is preparing for some entrance exam, so definitely you have to take care of some extra grammar part. But if your focus is only on the speaking, so this 3 months is enough for. We are not going so much technicality of the grammar. The second thing which I'm going to discuss, guys, these all classes are interlinked classes. What you learn in grammar, you can apply into fluency sessions. You can apply into fly sessions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right? So these classes are interlinked. What you are learning into the vocab, you just start making the sentences with the help of that vocabulary. Guys, simple सा shortcut है. जितना बोलोगे, the more you will speak, the more you will. Okay, the more you will speak, the more you will. I'm not giving so much emphasizing on the writing. No. Writing you all can do. If I will assign one topic, you can easily make a one write-up. Maybe you can use a chat GPT, maybe you can use a AI. But what about speaking? अभी इतना एडवांसमेंट नहीं हुआ है कि हमारे स्पीकिंग में भी AI कोई चिप लग जाए and we can start speaking. No. For that, we have to work. For that, we have to practice. After the hierarchy, after the session, recording and PDF will be shared. After every session, recording and PDF will be shared. Guys, if you miss any session, so please go through with the recording. Because grammar sessions are the interlinked sessions. If you miss one session, definitely you will get struggle into the next session. Clear this thing? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start. Aarti, you are not audible, dear. Just leave the meeting and again rejoin. Sabah, Reki, Samsung, please turn. Sarika, please turn on your camera, guys. This is for you. This is for you.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. Okay. So without taking much time, guys, let's start the session. Okay? Okay. So today we are going to discuss the sentences because why I have chosen this topic. You know, the sentence is the root. If we are speaking, so in which way we are speaking? Do we speak in letters? Do we speak in letters? क्या हम letters में बात करते हैं?
No.
We don't speak in letters. We don't speak in, like for example, A, फिर आप B, फिर C, फिर D. Do we speak in sentences?
Yes.
Yes, we speak in sentences. So whenever we want to communicate with each other, so we need the sentences. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And always keep one objective into your mind, guys, why you have joined this IDQ platform to become a
Fluent English speaker.
fluent speaker.
Impressive.
To become a fluent speaker. To become an effective communicator. तो वो communication के लिए, speaker के लिए, you have to speak. और speaking के लिए, the most important thing, that is called the sentences. Okay? Right? Now let's start from the very basic thing, guys. Okay. Now, why do you want to talk? Why do you want to talk? Is the screen visible, everyone?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So why do you want to talk?
To express our words, our
To express
feelings,
our words,
emotions.
very good. To express our feelings, very good. What else?
Our thoughts,
Understanding.
ideas.
To express our thoughts, to express our feelings.
Feelings.
Or
To express our point of view.
express हो गया. Express के अलावा, what else is coming apart from express?
अच्छा, knowledge के लिए मैम.
Sorry, Kumar?
Knowledge के लिए.
नॉलेज के
कुछ
लिए.
जानकारी.
Okay, okay.
Daily
Guys,
talk.
मला पेन कुठे ठेवले मी.
see. These are the ways why do you want to talk.
जेवायचं असेल तर जेवून घ्या.
Please mute guys if there is some personal talk. So why do we want to talk? We talk to tell something. किसी को कुछ बताने के लिए we talk. We talk for asking something. We talk
Yes.
to give the order or request something. We talk to express your feelings.
Feeling.
So these are the 4 ways. These are the different ways why we want to talk. हम क्यों बात करना चाहते हैं किसी को कुछ बताने के लिए, सिंपल बताने के. ओके किसी से कुछ पूछने के लिए when we want to ask someone, और किसी को to give the order और request के लिए we talk. Okay now
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
if we talk, अगर हम talk करते हैं, suppose there are the 4 types of sentences guys. The first sentence is called the declarative sentence. Declarative sentence means when I talk to tell something, anything I want to tell, any single statement if I want to tell something, so that sentences are called the declarative sentences, and these sentences are always ends with the full stop. आपको simple सा कोई भी statement देना है, like for example the sky is blue. Simple statement. My mother is cooking. Simple statement. Okay, you are attending grammar session. Simple statement. So that sentences are called the declarative sentences. Right? Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Aarti,
ma'am.
now voice is coming, Aarti?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay. Now Sabha and
Yes, ma'am.
Aarti. Sabha and Aarti, just make one sentence of declarative. Any sentence is coming into your mind.
I'm learning.
I'm learning English. Very good. Aarti?
I miss ma'am. I didn't.
Sorry?
I miss what you asked.
Declarative. देखो, Aarti, we are just going to discuss declarative sentences. What are declarative sentences? Declarative sentences are the sentences when we want to talk, to tell something. किसी को कुछ बताने के लिए. जैसे for example, my name is Aarti. This is a declarative. This is a declarative sentence. Simple.
Okay.
Going
Okay.
to market.
Yes?
I am going to market.
I'm going to market. I'm going to market.
I'm listening.
I'm listening. I'm listening. I have a black color phone. Simple declarative sentences.
I'm in an online
Yadav?
class.
Yes, Kana?
I'm in the online class.
I am in the online class.
This is a
Declarative
pilot
sentence.
pen.
I have a pen.
Yes.
I'm cooking food.
I'm cooking food. Right. Next आता है आपको interrogative sentences. Guys, interrogative sentences when we want to ask something. जब हम किसी से कुछ पूछते हैं. So in that case also we have to make some sentences, and that sentences are called the interrogative sentences, and interrogative sentences always ends with the question mark. There are the 2 types of interrogative sentences. One starts with the WH family that we discuss later on. And the second one, when we are starting with the helping verbs. Like for example, when is your next class? What are you doing? Are you listening? Shall I start the class? So these types of sentences are called the interrogative sentences, and these sentences always ends with the question. Dimpy, can you make any single sentence of interrogative?
Yes, ma'am.
Any single sentence of interrogative?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, are you coming to
हाँ.
my home?
Yes, are you coming to my home? Are you coming to my home? Very good.
Are you
Yes.
eating food?
Yes.
Are you eating food?
Are you eating food? Very good.
Are you-
Urmila, any sentence from your end?
Are you going out?
Okay. Yes, Urmila.
Where you are from?
हाँ.
Are you reading?
Are you reading? Are you listening? Are you attending the grammar session? When do you
Where are
have the
you
grammar
going?
session? When do you have the grammar session? What is your name? What is your name? Where do you live? All these sentences are called the interrogative sentences.
Where are you going?
Very good. Where are you going? Where are you going? Next आता है आपका number 3 आता है आपको. Yes, do what I say. Do what I say. जैसा मैं कहती हूँ वैसा करो. So what is coming into your mind? These types of sentences are called the imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are those sentences when we use to talk to order or request someone. जब हम किसी को order or request करते हैं, so in that case, we have to structure some sentences, and that sentences are called the imperative sentences. Like, for example, touch your head, pinch your cheeks, close your eyes, open your eyes. These are all the order or the request. How you can identify whether this is an order sentence or the request sentence?
Complete your homework.
Yes?
Complete your homework.
No. Abhi suppose karo, close your eyes. How you can identify whether this is an order form or whether it is an request form?
Order
Please
form.
give me your pen.
Excuse me.
Depends on pronunciation.
Depends on the tonality of your
Tonality.
voice. Yes,
Tone.
ठीक है? Depends on the tone of your voice, guys. It is not necessary ki on each and every sentence you have to use the please. Okay, but yes, it depends on the tonality of your voice. If you are in a commanding, it means you are ordering, and if you are pleasing voice, so it means you are requesting.
Kindly भी होता है मैं.
Kindly, yes, you can use the kindly. Okay, but kindly words we don't use basically, Parneet. We have to use these sentences, and these sentences are always end with the full stop. Only it depends on the situation, only it depends on the tonality of your voice. Or you can also say kindly close your eyes, please close your eyes. That is also okay. And the last one is exclamatory sentences.
अच्छा.
Exclamatory sentences, as Kana, Rohini, I think Kumar also told, कि exclamatory sentences are those sentences which are used to express your feelings.
Yes.
Like, for example, Salam, can you make any single sentence of the exclamatory when you are showing your feelings? Like, for example, इसमें you have to use this exclamatory remarks, जैसे hurray, alas, oops, wow. These are all the exclamatory remarks. Hooray, we won the match. Hooray, we won the match. So when you will listen this sentence, so it shows your feeling that you are very happy.
Wow.
Wow, this is wonderful.
Wow.
Wow, this is
Wow, this is
wonderful.
wonderful.
Wonderful. So it means you are very excited. Oops, I did it. So it means you have done some mistake. Okay?
Mostly we have to say, oh my God, also.
नहीं, oh my God नहीं आता. OMG हम use कर लेते हैं सब.
Yes.
Nowadays we can use. But these are the exclamatory, जैसे oops हो गया, हाँ, hurray हो गया, alas हो गया, wow हो गया. So these words we have to use.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Radhika, Reki, Aarti, this is clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Now, how many types of sentences we have discussed? One is
Declarative,
one is
Declarative.
declarative. Second one is
Interrogative.
interrogative. Third one
Interrogative,
is
Sentence.
imperative. And
imperative,
fourth one is
and
Exclamatory.
exclamatory.
very good. Now, guys, this is an assignment which you have to do. Now, what is this assignment? I hope the handwriting is legible to everyone.
Yes,
Handwriting
ma'am.
Yes,
सबको
ma'am.
समझ आ रहा है?
Yes,
ठीक है,
Yes,
ठीक है.
ma'am. It is.
Now, Kana, can you read it? Kana, can you read this paragraph?
Okay, ma'am. My favorite food is
My
pasta.
favorite food is pasta.
Hmm.
I love pasta.
I love pasta.
and could eat pasta at any time of the day. Pasta in white sauce is my favorite. White sauce is my favorite. I wish and could eat pasta right now.
Now,
Now.
ठीक है, guys, this is a sentence. Very simple paragraph it is. Now, what you have
Yes.
to do, guys, just read one sentence very carefully. If you think so it is declarative, so just write down blue. B लिख दो. Color तो होगा नहीं, तो just write down B. If it is if it is imperative, just write down O. If it is interrogative, just write down Y. If it is exclamatory, just write down red. Okay? I'm just coming, you just do it.
Okay, ma'am.
My favorite food is pasta.
Everyone got this? What you have to do? Simple, उसके ब्रैकेट में बस BOY और R लिखना है. चलो, let's start. सबा, first line क्या लग रहा है? What seems to be first line?
Interrogative, ma'am.
Why interrogative? यहाँ पे कोई क्वेश्चन पुट किया है. My favorite
नहीं.
food is pasta. So
नहीं क्या?
it is not an
It
interrogative.
is a
It is a declarative.
detective.
Declarative.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple statement है.
In the,
ठीक है?
हाँ,
I
full stop
love
है.
pasta.
Even second sentence भी declarative.
Very good. Second sentence is also declarative. Aarti, what about
Declarative.
you? I could eat pasta
Love
at any
pasta.
time of the day.
This is also declarative.
It is also declarative. Very good.
Declarative,
Urmila,
yes.
pasta in the white sauce is my favorite.
This is also
very simple.
declarative.
This is also
White
declarative.
sauce is my favorite.
This is also.
It
It
is
is
also
declarative.
declarative. I could eat pasta right
Declarative.
now. So this is also declarative. So guys, if you will see, if you will see each and every line, you will find the whole paragraph we have written in which form?
Blue
Declarative.
color, declarative
Declarative.
sentence.
और यही मिस्टेक हम कहाँ करते हैं? अपने स्पीकिंग पे, अपनी
Okay.
राइटिंग में. द सेम मिस्टेक्स वी डिड. हम क्या करते हैं? वी राइट only one form of sentence. We write the whole paragraph.
Okay.
You always say कि मैम, how I can become an effective speaker, guys. Effective कैसे बन सकते हैं? Once you are using different types of sentences into your communication. If you will use the same type of sentences into your communication, the paragraph, the communication becomes very monotonous. बहुत boring हो जाए. ठीक है? तो हमारा टास्क क्या है? What is our task? कि how to make this simple. अभी monotonous नहीं लग रहा है एक single color, blue color. जिसका blue color favorite है, I'm not talking about that person, but still it seems to be very dull, very boring. So what we can do? We can convert this same paragraph into the multiple color. Got it? Got it? What you have to do? Again, we have to rewrite this paragraph by using imperative sentences also, by using interrogative sentences also, by using exclamative sentences also. Like for example, see. Okay, yes. Now Kana, read it.
Do you know what my favorite
Do you know what my
food is?
favorite food is?
Food is.
Ah,
It is
It is
pasta.
an interrogative
it's
sentence.
pasta. It's
Interrogative.
pasta.
It's pasta.
Ah,
It's pasta.
I relish pasta.
I relish.
I relish pasta in white sauce. I could eat pasta in the morning, afternoon, and night. Speaking so much about pasta is making me hungry. Come with me. Let's have some pasta together. Yummy. Now you all feel like eating pasta with me, right?
What you have analyzed? Anyone? What you have analyzed?
This is
Ma'am,
the all type of the sentence like
interrogative.
declarative,
Yes,
interrogative,
Interrogative and
This
exclamatory.
paragraph inculcates all the 4 types of sentences.
Yes,
Guys,
yes,
see,
ma'am.
हमने
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे
Exclamatory
start?
also.
Yes,
Yes.
we didn't start this paragraph with this way. My favorite food is pasta. No, how we start? Do you know?
Do you know
What's
what my favorite food?
What my
It's
favorite
pasta. So first हो गया
Interrogative.
interrogative. Second हो गया it's
Interrogative.
pasta.
Exclamatory.
Exclamatory. Because we are
exclamatory.
showing our feeling. It's pasta. I relish
Yes.
pasta in white sauce. Simple declarative.
Simple. Declarative.
Okay.
I
I
could eat.
could eat pasta in the morning, afternoon, and
afternoon.
night.
Exclamatory.
It is
Exclamatory because we are showing our
exclamatory.
feelings.
Yes.
Right? Come with me. Come
Yes.
with me. Imperative sentence.
Simple.
Imperative
No,
sentence.
Imperative.
Imperative.
Imperative
Imperative.
sentence. Come with.
Imperative. हाँ.
Now, can anyone
Imperative.
tell me कि what अगर आपके पास if these 2 paragraphs are coming in front of you, so which attracts you more?
This one.
This.
This one.
This. Are you guys getting?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what we have to do? Okay, so
Declarative.
So what
and
we have to
declarative.
do, Abhi, I will share one assignment because Abhi, right now I'm going to take this topic more. But what I will do, I will share this paragraph into your WhatsApp group. Okay.
Action.
Now
ma'am.
everyone has to create your own paragraph by using all the sentences.
Okay, ma'am.
सिर्फ थ्योरी करने से काम नहीं चलेगा. अगर मैं सिंपल बता देती ना, देयर आर द 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस, डिक्लेरेटिव, इंपेरेटिव, एक्सक्लेमेटरी और इंटेरोगेटिव. सो क्या हो गया उससे? थ्योरी करके मेरे को कौन सा पीएचडी की थीसिस कंप्लीट करनी है? नहीं. अनलेस एंड अनटिल वी विल नॉट अप्लाई दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इनटू द प्रैक्टिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन.
Yes.
And that you have to do, whether it is a writing process, whether it is a speaking process. If you are going into your fluency sessions, you have to always stimulate your brain ki guys, if I'm making 7 sentences, so at least one sentence of each form. Clear this thing? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has any doubt, guys? Because why I'm asking, because this is a very first class with you. So maybe if you are not getting, so you can ask number of times. But it is clear, guys,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, guys, do we speak in letters?
No.
No.
Do we speak in
No.
words?
No.
No. No.
Do we
No.
speak in sentences?
Yes.
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 Speak in sentences. We speak in sentences. So why we need the sentence to speak any language? किसी भी language को बोलने के लिए we need the sentences. We need the sentences.
Sentence.
Now sentence. We all know what do you mean by sentence? Sentence is a group of words which give some meaning. I
Yes,
repeat,
ma'am.
sentence is a group of words which give some meaning,
Meaning.
right? That is called the sentence. Now, sentence is of 2 types. One is the action sentence and second one is the expression sentence.
Yes.
Action sentence and expression sentence. 95% we have to use the action sentence and 5% we use the expression sentence.
Action.
95. Action का मतलब होता है, guys, when we are doing some actions. There are the 2 types of actions. One is a physical action and second is a mental action. Physical action means in which our body movements are included. Jumping, eating, running. Okay? These are all the action, physical actions. And mental actions, maybe our body movements are not included, but our mind is included. Okay, so that is also comes under the action. Expression sentence, simple statement sentences. So action हो गया, जैसे for example, I speak English. Simple action sentence. This is an action. What is an action in this sentence?
Speak.
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 और इसका expression क्या बनेगा? Simple
Speak.
English is a language.
Yes.
Simple जब general statement वाले sentences होते हैं, that is called the expression sentence. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now everyone be ready. ठीक है? Be quick. Okay, one by one. Rohini, expression. Any expression sentence. Be quick, be quick. Okay, Aarti.
I am Aarti.
I am Aarti. Excellent. Sabha,
Expression.
expression. Sabha, expression.
I'm writing, ma'am.
No, writing क्या हो गया? Writing is an action. आप movement use कर रहे हो, तो this is an action. This is an
I'm
action.
smiling.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is again an action. Smile. आपका body movement use हो रहा है. आप ये बोल सकते हो, सबा, my smile is good. My smile is good. This is an expression.
Okay.
Okay. Next, Kumar, any action?
Excellent.
Sorry, Ricky?
Excellent. We can use this.
No, excellent is just a word. It's just a word. We are talking about the sentence.
Oh, it's amazing.
Ha, it's amazing. Very good. This is an expression sentence. This is an expression sentence. Very good. Yes. Kumar? Action.
Ma'am, action. I am in meeting.
I am?
In meeting.
No. What is an action in this sentence?
I'm running.
I am running. Very good. I am running. This is an action. This is an action.
I am drinking your water.
I am drinking water. This is an action sentence.
I am playing
Wow,
badminton.
I am playing
Wow.
badminton.
Wow, I cannot believe.
Wow, I cannot.
Believe.
Believe.
This is
This
the
is the expression
exclamatory, no,
sentence.
ma'am?
नहीं wow नहीं है simple अभी सलाम don't use the simple x का either at the action or expression बताओ
Surprise.
and try to make in positive form.
I am traveling.
I am traveling. अच्छा चलो मैं बता दूं एक सेंटेंस बोलती हूँ just try which one is action which one is expression.
Okay.
I am washing my dirty hands. I am washing my dirty hands.
Action.
This is an action. This is an
Action.
action. How I convert this action sentence into the expression, just see. My hands are dirty. My hands are dirty.
It's so dirty.
My hands are dirty.
It's so dirty.
No. My hands are dirty. What type of sentence it is?
Expression.
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 It is an expression sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you guys getting the difference? I
Yes,
am
ma'am.
washing my dirty hands. This is an action
This
sentence.
is action
My
sentence.
hands are dirty. Simple. इसमें कोई action नहीं है. My hands are dirty. So it becomes the expression sentence. It becomes the expression sentence. Kana, any one sentence from your end?
Yes, ma'am. I am watching. It's an action.
I am watching TV. It's an action. हाँ. ये network
It's an
issue from
action.
my end.
And
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am,
Maybe.
it's from your end.
And what is expression?
Expression. I am seeing.
You are watching
I'm seeing
TV?
television.
You no. एक एक करके बोलो, guys, please. I'm not getting. Yes, Kana.
I usually see television.
See. Again, you are using your body part now. You are using your senses. So
Okay,
that is not
okay.
an action.
Expression.
Expression.
I'm dancing.
I am dancing. This is an action.
Yes.
This is an action.
Dancing is my hobby.
Dancing is my hobby. Dancing is my hobby. It becomes an expression. It becomes an expression. So there are the two types of sentences. One is called the action and one is called the expression sentence.
Expression.
Right. Now, my friend will go to market. This is a sentence, guys. Every sentence is divided into two. One is called the doer and rest of the part is called the whatever the doer will do. I repeat. One is called the doer and second one is called whatever the doer will do. Doer को हम grammatically term में we have to say the subject part. Doer को what we have to say the subject part. And whatever the doer will do, that is called the predicate part. That is called the predicate part. Okay. So every sentence is divided into two. One is called the subject part and another one is called the predicate part. She helped her. What is the subject part?
She.
She. Very good.
She.
And what is predicate part?
Help.
Helped her. Whatever comes after the subject, that becomes a predicate part. That becomes a
Do we call it object also?
Yes. We call it object also. But after the verb. Arti, object को हम बोलेंगे ROP. अभी I'm just coming. Now my brother loves football. What is subject part?
My brother.
My brother.
And what is predicate part?
Loves
Loves football.
Loves football.
Loves football.
Loves football. Simple. Pritina, Urmila, Sabha,
Yes.
Aarti, it is clear. Okay. Now,
Yes.
subject part is divided into further two parts. Very important, guys. Please
Okay.
listen me very carefully. Subject part is divided into further two parts. One is called the extension and second is called the subject word. One is called the extension and second is called the subject word. So now what is extension? My. My is an extension. And what is subject word? Brother.
Brother.
Brother
Brother.
is a subject word.
Subject verb.
Subject word. Now, predicate part is further divided into two parts. One is called the verb and second is called the ROP. ROP. अब इसको ROP को हम बोल सकते हैं आरती यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट. ROP.
Okay. Ma'am, what did you say? Subject word. What? I didn't get that.
Subject word. Subject word. अभी
Means?
देखो subject word. अच्छा पहले इसको कंप्लीट करते हैं. What is a verb in this sentence? My brother loves football.
Loves.
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 And what is ROP?
Football.
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 ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन आता है, what do you mean by subject word? What do you mean by subject word? Guys, please note down, subject word means only the noun and the pronoun.
Subject word
Subject word, subject word. इसको हम subject भी बोल सकते हैं. You can also say the
means
subject word. Subject, अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि what come, अभी तो मैम आपने brother बता दिया, but there are so many sentences, so how we can identify कि whether what is the subject word in this sentence. So in that scenario, you have to understand कि what comes in place of subject word, either noun or pronoun. Either noun or pronoun will come in place of subject word. And what is an extension in this sentence?
love football.
Extension. What is an extension?
Extra my.
My is an
My.
extension.
Okay. Oh, my.
My is an extension.
Yes.
Now the question is coming. Always a my will come?
No.
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 And what is the usage of this extension? Guys, write down two sentences. My brother loves football. Write down the second sentence without extension. Brother loves football. Which seems to be more meaningful?
My
My
brother
brother
loves
loves football.
football.
Why? Because this is a sentence which gives a complete information to the audience.
Complete information. Yes.
Right? So
Yes,
what is the
ma'am.
use
Yes,
of
ma'am.
extension? Extension का हम use क्यों करते हैं? We use the extension if we want to make our sentences more
Complete.
meaningful in a complete form.
Complete form.
That's why we use the extension.
Yes.
अब question आता है, ma'am, only the my will come? No. So what
No.
comes in place? So what comes in place of extensions? Adjectives. जितने भी आपके एडजेक्टिव्स हैं ना, ये हम लेटर ऑन डिस्कस करेंगे. माय, यू, हर, जितने भी आपके एडजेक्टिव्स हैं, इसकी जगह ये भी यूज कर सकते थे आप, माय लिटिल ब्रदर या माय यंगर ब्रदर. दिस इज ऑल्सो एन एक्सटेंशन. This is also an extension. My sweet younger brother. This is also an extension. My sweet younger. और brother क्या बन गया? What is brother?
Sweet बन गया.
Subject.
Subject verb.
बन गया.
Subject.
Yes.
My suppose my mother cooks food. My mother cooks food. What the extension you can put?
My.
My.
Only my? Only my?
No.
My brother. My mom.
My
mother. My loving mom भी बोल सकते
my
हैं.
lovely mother. Very good.
Lovely
My lovely
mother.
mother. Yeah, or you can say my caring mother.
Yes.
Mother.
My caring mother. My
This is also
beautiful mother.
extension.
This is
Okay,
also
okay.
an extension.
This also.
Guys, see. देखो extension क्या है? सिर्फ एक टर्म दे दिया extension, लेकिन उसका मतलब समझो कि why we are using these extensions.
Yeah.
Extensions को simple सा logic है why we are using extensions to make your sentence
More powerful.
More powerful.
meaningful.
Meaningful.
Powerful
meaningful
and
बोल दो,
meaningful.
powerful बोलो, beautiful बोल दो, कुछ भी बोल सकते. To make your sentence more impressive.
Yes.
To make your sentence
Energy.
more expressive.
Yes.
So that's why we are using extensions.
Extension.
Guys, tough तो नहीं लग रहा this topic?
नहीं. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है मैम.
सिर्फ एक उर्मिला से मुझे अभी तक आ रहा है. और what about others? और तो सब डिम्पी, एबडस, सलाम, सारिका, आरती, रेकी, सब स्विच ऑफ.
मैम आपने कुछ सब्जेक्ट वर्ड मीन्स बताया था ना.
सब्जेक्ट वर्ड में आता है
subject की
नाउन और प्रोनाउन. नाउन
Subject
और
word means?
प्रोनाउन. सब्जेक्ट वर्ड में क्या आता है? व्हाट कम्स इन सब्जेक्ट वर्ड? ओनली द नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन.
Noun and pronouns. Okay.
Only the noun and pronoun.
Okay. Right.
Clear? Tough लगे तो please let me know, guys. चलो My best friend Anil. Okay, now Aarti, can you read this sentence?
My best friend Anil will be meeting me at the airport.
Okay, just divide this sentence. Now, what is the subject? Doer.
My best friend,
Friend
extension.
is a subject or, and will be meeting it is a predicate.
Okay, this is a predicate
Meeting
part.
is a verb here.
Okay, now first we have to convert into subject part. No, subject part is divided into two, extension and the subject word. Now, what is an extension in this sentence?
My best.
My best
My
friend.
best friend. My best friend. My best friend.
Yeah, my best friend Anil. Yeah.
Okay. Now, what is Anil? What is Anil? Yes, guys, what is Anil?
Subject.
Subject.
Anil is a
Subject word.
Subject word. Because
Subject, no.
Anil is a noun. It is a name of a
Noun.
person. It is
Yes.
a noun. It is a name of
Yes.
a person.
Yes.
Okay. Now, predicate part is further divided into two, verb and RO. Sabha, what is a verb?
Meeting me at the airport.
Meeting.
Will be meeting. They are the three verbs. Will be meeting. And what is ROP? At the airport. At the air. At the air. At the air. Clear?
Yes.
अच्छा डिम्पी की क्लास ठीक है दिस इज क्लियर गाइस
Yes, ma'am.
subject part extension and subject word predicate part verb and ROP so now it is clear guys see if you are using without extension Anil will be meeting me at the airport but instead this is also okay I'm not denying that you cannot use any sentence without extension you can use but if you use extension you can make your sentences more meaningful Salam Rohini clear
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the structure of a sentence? Structure of a sentence is that extension, subject word, verb,
Subject verb. Verb.
and then ROP. And then ROP. Okay, guys. Now everyone, please be ready with your one sentence using this format. Everyone. Yes, Salam, let's start from you. Salam, you have to use this structure and make one sentence. Okay, anyone? Okay. Okay, Aarti is raising her hand. Yes, Aarti.
My daughter Spruha is completing her homework.
My daughter is completing my daughter Ruha is completing her homework. Very good, very good, very good, Aarti.
Ma'am.
Yes. Anyone who is
My
ready?
mother, yes, ma'am. Yes. My mother cook very delicious food.
My mother cooks delicious food. Don't use very. My mother cooks delicious food. Very good, very good.
Okay.
Okay, any more sentences? My brother loves football. My is an extension. Subject word is a brother. Loves is a verb and ROP is a football. She has taken her breakfast. Now, what is an extension, Sabah?
She.
What is an extension in this sentence?
She.
Ma'am. She, ma'am.
Yes, Sabah, speak louder. She. Okay,
She
Kumar.
has.
She. Pritina.
Yes, ma'am.
She.
has.
She. Everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's she.
Guys, this is a subject word. There
Subject
is no
word.
extension in this sentence.
Oh,
I told you, na, either the noun and the pronoun will come in place of subject word. She to pronoun ho gaya na, so how you can say it is an extension? Okay, so she is a subject word. So in this and what are the verbs? Has taken. And what are the ROP? Her breakfast.
Yes.
So It means if there is
No
no
extension.
extension,
No
still you can
extension
make a
and
sentence.
Okay.
Still you can make a sentence. It is not hard and fast rule that in each and every sentence you have to make the extensions. Guys, there should be always a blending. Some sentences you can use with extensions, some sentences you can use without extensions. But what is the structure? Start with the subject, then verb, then arrow. I repeat, start with the subject, then verb, then arrow. Subject
Okay.
word में क्या आ सकता है? Only the noun and pronoun. Why you use the extension? To make your sentence more meaningful. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, guys, but still, there are some sentences. Abhi tak right now we have discussed all the action sentences. Like, for example, my mother cooks food.
No.
Okay, this is an action sentence. Children fly kites. What is children?
Subject.
Children.
Subject word.
Subject.
What is fly?
Subject.
Action.
Verb.
Verb.
What
Sorry,
is
sorry.
kites?
Verb.
What is kites?
Object.
Object.
Object. Or you can
Rest
say
of
arrow.
predicate.
Arrow.
Rest of
Arrow.
predicate.
ठीक है?
Yes.
Then you can
Yes.
easily identify. Kumar is writing his notes. What is Kumar?
Subject.
Noun.
Subject.
Subject. What is writing?
Verb.
Verb.
Verbs.
Verb.
His notes.
Object.
ROP.
Arrow. Then you can easily identify. ठीक है? Suppose करो sentence है honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. What type of sentence it is?
Simple.
Imperative.
Imperative. No.
There are two types of sentences we have discussed. One is the action and second one is
Expression.
It's
Expression.
expression sentence. देखो
sentence.
guys, हमने discuss करा था ना 95% yes we use action, but still 5% we use the expression sentence.
Expression. Correct.
अगर sentence आ गया honesty is the best policy, so then how you can
Your
identify?
voice is not clear.
My voice is not coming?
नहीं आ रहा है
Yes,
मैम.
आ रहा है मैम.
Clear है मैम.
Yes.
Clear
अच्छा,
है.
किसको नहीं आ
Clear,
रहा?
clear.
Who is not getting my voice?
Your voice is clear, ma'am.
Clear. Okay, so now honesty is the best policy. If this type of sentence is coming, so then in that case, guys, how to identify the subject? Very simple. Then you have to identify who and what. And you will get the answer, and jo answer hoga, that is the subject. Like for example, honesty is the best policy. Then you can ask, what is the best policy? You will get the answer, honesty.
Honesty.
So honesty is the subject and rest of the sentence becomes the predicate. Sometimes you will get these types of sentences that is called the imperative sentences. Like for example, show me how to do it. Sit down. So then if I ask you what is the subject in this sentence, so then you will say, ma'am, there is no subject. No, my dear students, there is always a subject that is called the hidden subject, and hidden subject kya hai? You. You show me how to do it. You sit down. Okay, so this is a subject. I'm just telling you कि ये subject होता है. Now, guys, this is very important. How to frame the sentence. Now, very important. How to frame the sentence. अब सिंपल है हमारे को फ्रेम करना है सेंटेंस, लेकिन आपका हमारा एजेंडा क्या है? वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर्स. अभी हमने सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर वी हैव जस्ट डिस्कस. सब्जेक्ट, वर्ड एंड
Object.
or ROP. Subject, verb and ROP. Simple. But this is not our agenda. Ma'am, ये तो आता है कि से subject, word and ROP. Now we are going to discuss how to make a simple sentence into a wow sentence. Wow sentence. Again, I repeat, how to make the simple sentence into the wow sentence.
Wow sentence.
वो वाव वाली फीलिंग आ रही है ये जब हो गया आज का क्लास?
नहीं आ रही
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है बहुत ज्यादा,
है
मतलब लेक्चर
नहीं।
ज्यादा हो गया. गाइस प्लीज लेट मी नो, क्योंकि देखो टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक इट इज द फर्स्ट सेशन ना, तो मैं अभी ना वो लेवल एक बार कैच नहीं कर पा रही हूँ कि वेदर यू गाइस आर टेकिंग इंटरेस्ट और नॉट.
No, ma'am, it is good. Means we are getting
गेटिंग क्लैरिटी?
Interesting.
ऐसा तो नहीं
Yes,
लग रहा
ma'am.
ग्रामर बहुत ज्यादा बोर तो नहीं लग रहा? पता चला आज की क्लास में
No,
12 है, कल
नहीं नहीं
नेक्स्ट क्लास में सिर्फ 2 ही आए।
नहीं
हाँ, आरती तो
no,
आएगी
ma'am, no,
आएगी।
ma'am.
हाँ आरती, आरती तो स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट भी आई है, लेकिन आ जाती है। ठीक है, चलो गाइस, डन। सारिका, सबा,
Yes,
इट
ma'am.
इज क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
नाउ व्हाट इज द एजेंडा?
हम
frame
ये
the
सिंपल
sentence.
सेंटेंस को
Sentence to wow sentence.
वाव सेंटेंस।
वाव सेंटेंस में
As
बदलना
such, there is no significant reason. Wow, वो मैं I always use so that it can retain into your mind. ठीक है? As such, there is no significant reason behind this. So, guys, how to make this 5 wow frame sentence by using 5 wow rules. Now we are using 5 wow rules to make a simple sentence into the wow sentence.
Wow sentence.
Dimpy clear? Kumar clear?
yes
Now, guys, this is a rule. 5 wow rule. 5 wow rule क्या है? Who, what, where, when, why.
Then why?
This is the 5 wow rule. I repeat. Who, what, where, when, why.
What,
Why?
When, why. Who, what comes in under who? If you want to write, you can. What comes under who? Subject.
Subject.
Subject. Subject. What comes under what? Verb.
Verb.
Verb. What comes under where? Place. What comes under when? Time.
Time.
And what comes under why? Reason. 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 Now, guys, if the simple sentence is coming in front of you, now the task is that how to convert this sentence. Some noise. Pranita, please mute dear. Some noise. Okay. Now, how to make a simple sentence into the wow sentence? Who, what, where, when, why. We have to apply this 5 wow rule onto that sentence. Like, for example, the boy runs to the ground. This is a very simple sentence. But if you are using when also, you are using why also, so then it becomes more impressive. The boy runs to the ground in the evening to play with his friends. Okay? Getting? Wow sentence. Who, what, where, when, why. You have to follow this sequence.
Sequence also.
At least Aarti, who and what to fix hoga. Who and what is fixed.
But if I want to say the boy runs in the evening.
That you can interchange. That you can interchange. Where or when ko you can interchange. But who and what is fixed.
Yeah. That
who
is
and
subject
what
and
fix
Clear? Urmila, clear?
yes ma'am
Rohini, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo guys, agar clear hai. Now this is an activity which you have to do in front of me. These are the 3 pictures in front of you. You have to combine these pictures and make one single sentence by using 5 wow. Getting? You have to combine these 3 pictures, make one single sentence using 5 wow.
5 wow अच्छा okay
हाँ, wow rule करके.
using करके
One by one. Okay, Dimpy. Dimpy, speak louder, dear.
Ma'am, the dog is barking in the night because there is a thief.
Because there is a thief. Okay. The dog is barking in the night because there is a thief. Okay, well said there, Dimpy. Next. Anyone, guys, please try.
dog barks.
Dog is barking.
Please raise your hand, guys. If you want to speak now, raise your hand. Virtual. Okay, Aarti. Yes, Aarti.
Dog barks at the thief in the night.
The dog barks at the thief in the night. Okay.
Every day or otherwise every time.
Okay. Yes, Sabah.
the thief एक
Dog
मिनट हाँ
barks at the roadside.
Sabah, speak louder.
It's night.
Sorry. The dog
Ma'am.
Barks
Huh? The dog barks
in roadside at the night.
Okay,
In road.
okay. At roadside in the night.
At the night.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
The dog barking in the night, the thief is running.
The dog
Thief
barking in the
run-
night when the thief is running. Okay, okay. Yes, Rohini.
ma'am, the
Thief
dog
running
bark
in the
in the night
to
when
solve.
when see he thief.
When he
Mm.
sees the thief. Okay,
Hmm.
okay, okay, okay.
Uh,
Just read it, this sentence.
the
The
dog
dog
bark.
barked by my window
By-
at night to alert me about the thief.
Dot.
Okay.
Okay. The dog barked by my
Dog
window
the
at
thief
night
running in the
to
night.
alert me
window
about
at
the
night.
thief.
मैम ऐसे बोल सकते क्या मैम
हाँ जी बोलो.
the thief is running in the night. The thief was running in the night to saw the dog is barking. Would I-
नहीं. Always start
Grammar.
with the subject. Always starts with
Okay.
the subject.
Okay.
Always start with the subject.
The dog barks.
ठीक है, Dad, you will get gradually, you will learn. Gradually you learn. But this is a wow sentence. This is a wow sentence.
Okay.
Okay.
In night, the thief was ran because the dog was barking.
हाँ वही
Always
मतलब
start
मैंने-
with the subject, guys. I always say,
Subject.
always follow one structure, subject, verb, and then you have to use
Okay,
when,
okay.
where, why. When, where, why.
We
Okay.
can say this. The thief saw barking dog in the night.
Yes,
We can
but
take the thief
हाँ
as
हाँ
a
डैड यू कैन मेक आरती, लेकिन अभी आरती हमारा एजेंडा क्या है कि एक सिंपल सेंटेंस को है, जैसे द डॉग बार्क्स एट द थीफ. दिस इज अ सिंपल सेंटेंस. एजेंडा क्या है? हाउ टू मेक दिस सिंपल सेंटेंस इनटू द वाव सेंटेंस.
Yeah.
दिस इज आवर एजेंडा गाइस. देखो बनाने को तो कुछ भी बना लो, दैट इज नॉट एन इशू, बट हाउ टू मेक इनटू अ वाव सेंटेंस, दैट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट. Now guys, this is a find the subject and predicate. Very simple. Okay, chalo, let's start. Urmila, what is the subject in the first sentence?
Rahul.
And what is predicate?
Predicate.
Her mother.
Her mother. To
No,
her mother.
no.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Rahul is the subject and
हाँ.
write a letter to her mother is the
Is a predicate. Yes,
predicate.
predicate.
Okay.
Guys, see. What comes after the subject? That
Subject.
becomes a
Is
predicate.
it-
So Rahul is a subject. What comes after that? That becomes a predicate. Dimpy,
Okay.
on the top of the tree lives a bird. What is the subject?
Subject, ma'am. In this sentence.
हाँ मैम, यही
I'm
सेंटेंस
confused.
नहीं आ रहा था, बस आपने मेरे से यही पूछ लेना था. कोई और
Yes.
पूछ लेते.
Ma'am, in this sentence, I am confused because bird is the place of object.
हाँ.
So maybe I'm not sure. The tree.
और ये उसमें आ जाए तुम्हारे आइलेट्स के एग्जाम में डिम्पी. हाँ.
So ma'am, bird. A bird.
A bird. A bird. देखो guys, अब देखो नहीं समझ आ रहा कि on the top of the tree, नहीं समझ आ
Yes,
रहा, because it is not hard and fast rule कि subject always starts with the beginning.
Okay.
So if it is not coming, so then you have to apply what and who. Who lives on the top of the tree? Who
Okay.
lives
Then
on the
bird.
top of the tree? You will get the answer, a bird. So
Bird.
a bird becomes
Bird.
the subject.
Yes.
And rest
Going
is the
to bed
predicate.
late
form.
is not good. Yes. Salam, going to bed late is not good. What is the subject?
Ma'am,
Not
going bed late is not good. Bed is subject.
How can bed is a subject?
no, ma'am. You is silent. No, ma'am. You.
Going
No. What is
bed.
not good? What is not good?
Going to bed.
Going to
Going
bed.
to bed late.
Going to bed
Going to bed late.
late.
That is become a whole
This
subject.
subject.
That is also become a whole subject.
Okay.
Swimming is good exercise. What is the subject?
Ma'am,
Swimming.
Swimming.
Swimming is a subject. Ram and Mohan study in the same school. What is the subject?
Ram and Mohan.
Ram and
Mohan.
Mohan. Come here. Urmila. Urmila, come here.
Urmila.
Urmila. Urmila is a subject.
नहीं यहाँ पर लेकिन हिडन है उर्मिला का फेवरेट हिडन सब्जेक्ट है यहाँ पर क्या है वो हिडन सब्जेक्ट
You come.
You
come
here.
So you is a subject. You is a subject.
Yeah.
How were oceans and seas formed? What is a subject?
Ocean.
Oceans and seas. Oceans and seas. What were formed? What were formed? Oceans and seas.
Yes.
Here comes the bus. Here comes the bus. What is the subject?
Bus.
Here
Bus.
comes
Bus. My great grandfather, Pritina, my great grandfather gifted me a nice watch on my birthday. What is the subject?
My grandfather. My great
My great
grandfather.
grandfather.
My great grandfather.
Yes. इसमें
Now, guys.
exclamatory भी आ गया ना मैम?
Now this is the second activity, guys. What is this? Very simple activity. You choose only any single sentence. Any single sentence आप अपने choose कर लो. ठीक है? Everyone has to choose your own one sentence. Any number. ठीक है? Now what you have to do? Write down this sentence, guys. A cat runs in the garden. Write down. A cat runs in the garden. Simple. A
Yes.
cat runs in the garden. अब क्या activity है, guys? How to reframe this simple sentence into the wow sentence. How to reframe this simple sentence into the wow sentence. I am giving one example and after that you have to make your. ठीक है? अब देखो इसी sentence को मैं कैसे how I can make into a wow sentence. A sweet little cat. If you want to write, you can get the more clarity. A sweet little cat runs in the beautiful garden. Runs in the beautiful garden in the afternoon to catch the mice. To catch the mice.
Madam, once again.
हाँ, सलाम लिखो. A sweet little cat runs in a beautiful garden, or you can say in the lavish green garden, whatever the adjectives are coming, in the beautiful garden in the afternoon to catch the mice. Now, Aarti, can you read the number 1, number 2, both the sentences?
A cat runs in the garden. This is number 1. And as you said just, a sweet little cat runs in the beautiful garden in the afternoon to catch the mice.
Which seems to be more attractive, which seems to be more wow sentence.
Second one.
Second
one.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसा तो नहीं है कोई प्रेशर में कह रहा है हाँ no everyone ठीक है
Yes, yes.
Okay, now guys, what you have to do, now I'm going to share this activity again. What you have to do, choose any sentence apart from first. Apart, एक sentence कोई भी you can choose and you have to make that sentence into the wow sentence. Everyone has to do. One by one.
Third sentence.
I will choose two.
Brother eats.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, repetition होता है, कोई problem नहीं है, but choose only one sentence.
Three, third one.
Okay, Dimpy.
Yes. My younger brother eats fast food more.
Eats?
Eats fast food more interestingly.
My younger brother eats fast food.
More interestingly.
I'm not getting after that, Dimpy.
Okay. My younger brother eats fast food with more interest.
With more interest.
Yeah.
Okay. But Dimpy, इसमें आपने, do you really think so? आपने सारे 5 wow apply करा है?
Okay.
Take your time, guys. I'm not saying you must be in rush. ठीक है, take your time. But I really appreciate if you apply this 5 wow. Who, what, where, when, why.
Mother cooks food.
The girl.
My younger brother eats
Girl.
pizza every weekend in Domino's.
My brother eats pizza every weekend
In Domino's. At Domino's. Yeah.
at
Domino's, man.
at Domino's. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Because ma'am, I
And
have
why missing है इसमें?
because he likes fast food.
Girl.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, I have no pen to write it, so that's why,
Singing.
ma'am, I explain.
Sir, Dimpy, आपका ना voice मेरे को clear नहीं आ रहा. I don't know what is the reason.
Ma'am, reason behind it because I am in
School.
place and there is a network problem.
Okay. 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 No issues.
Yeah,
No
ma'am.
issues. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Rohini.
one man is a very beautiful play the guitar in the garden.
Which number you have made?
Number 8.
Number 8.
Eight.
Again speak.
One man is very beautiful plays the guitar in the garden.
इसमें वहां वो कहाँ आ गया? Garden तो आ गया. When is missing? Why is missing?
Cool.
Why he is playing the guitar?
Okay, okay. एक मिनट मैम.
Yes, Aarti.
My number is 5th.
Okay.
Little girl singing
My
in her school.
lovely mother
Hmm.
cooks food in our kitchen every time because she loves us a lot.
Because she loves us lot. Okay. Okay. Well said. Well said. Well said. Or you can
Ma'am,
also say,
can I?
as there is a birthday party at my home. Okay.
Ah,
But
yeah.
this is
Yeah.
also well said.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yes. 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 Who is saying Kana? Nahi, Salam. Yes, Salam.
Yes, ma'am. I want to finish my project today on time.
Today on time.
I
Why?
want to finish my project today on time. I am very happy.
हैप्पी हमें नहीं करना. हैप्पी सेंटेंस को करना है सलाम. और कैसे करना है? इसमें अभी वो why is missing.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Sabah.
Yeah, last one, 12. I want to finish my project. So my wow sentence is, I surely want to finish my project work in the evening to achieve first rank.
To achieve? To achieve?
First rank.
To achieve first prize.
First rank.
First rank. Okay, okay, okay. Very good, very good. To achieve the first rank.
I got first prize.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
I want to finish my project as soon as possible because I want to get promotion.
Because I want to get
Promotion.
promotion. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Because बहुत ज्यादा लगा रहे हो guys. Try to omit this word because. I want to finish my
Okay.
project before deadline as I need to get promotion.
Okay. Ma'am, it can be a to get a promotion.
To get a promotion it is also. Okay.
So, yeah.